This video is all about this, the DYU folding bike. How about that? That was quick. Tell that it's got a 500 watt motor in this. I'm only in the first power and it's very, very powerful. Oh, forgot to put the stand down then. Oh my God, it really is. That's in full power now. Oh, I got that up to 20 odd mile an hour and that was enough. Certainly off-road. The seat and the sponge in the seat's really good. Although the brakes are just cable, they are disc brakes. And with this being quite a fast bike, I found it all right with these brakes. It wasn't a problem. I didn't pull the brakes and think I'm not going to stop. So they're perfectly adequate. Like the look of it. There's quite a few designs like this. This is quite funky. The seat is remarkably comfortable. Unfortunately, they don't seem to do the 250 watt without a throttle one for the UK market. Well, they don't at the moment, they may do soon. And the description, I'll put all the links and all the information that I've got about this so you can check it out for yourself. And not over heavy. I'll put the weight down here now so you can see how much it weighs. But yeah, great, easy to use, real easy to put together. We'll put a clip in now, we're assembling it. All you really had to do was put the wheel in and the front mudguard and the pedals on, nice and easy. It takes longer to get it out the box and all the packaging than it actually does to put together. And all the tools that come with it is the only tools I used to put it together, and they was adequate. You just need a pair of scissors to cut some of the packaging, that's all. Great little bike, funky, but as I say, not legal on the UK roads, unfortunately. But that may be different where you live.